Good afternoon everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how you basically reset your car to not to default settings, but the entire settings that are on the car, how you reset them to base model. Now I will warn you here that the car will be set up probably in a German language. If you reset them all via this option, you'll probably notice everything gets reset back to where it came out of the factory in Germany. So you'll notice that this is what would happen. I'm not actually going to go and do this, but this is probably what you do is if you've really made a mess of the settings, you're not sure how to fix it. It's probably like a last resort, only as a last resort, guys. Yeah, don't use it as anything else. So you're going to want to go to the home button on here that operates the center console screen. You've got all these different options here. You're going to want to go to system. All the way down the bottom, you've got reset, and then you make sure that you're okay with that, and then press yes if you want to continue with that. So that reset everything to base. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you in the next video.